All right, guys, let's go ahead and check our outline notes for lesson 1. What is an ecosystem? All living and non-living things in an area make up an ecosystem. The living things in a system are the biotic factors. So those are going to be the ones that can grow, can reproduce. So a biotic factor is going to be living, once living, or came from something that was living. Sunlight and temperatures are example of the non-living factors or abiotic factors in an ecosystem. So we can look here that bio means life. So biotic factors are going to be living. And in this word here, we have the prefix a meaning without. So abiotic is going to be without life, so non-living. Almost all of Earth's energy, almost all energy on Earth originally came from the sun. Now we're going to highlight that. Almost all. We can't say that 100% of the energy from Earth came from the sun, because we're going to learn a little bit later that we've got some places where energy is being produced that is in the dark, like in the bottom of the ocean or in a cave. So sunlight is used by plants to make food, and that is through the process of photosynthesis that we will learn about later this chapter. Two other abiotic factors that are affected by sunlight are the temperature and climate. If you describe the average weather conditions of an area over time, you describe the area's climate. Wind, temperature, and moisture influence the daily weather conditions. A lizard might live in a hot, dry desert climate. Temperature is how warm or cold something is. Animals that have thick fur live in climates that have cold temperatures. Now that's an adaptation that they have to be able to survive in that colder temperature, the thick fur. Tropical birds are adapted to hot temperatures. They do not have the adaptations to live in a cold environment. Just like a polar bear would not survive in the desert, a tropical bird would not do well in the Arctic. Most organisms are made mostly of water. Organisms need water to grow and reproduce. All organisms, everything, every biotic factor needs water to grow. And you know that with your lawn or with your plants, that if you don't water your plants, they're not going to grow. Ecosystems must contain water to support life. Now, our ecosystems, they might have a variety of amount of water, some from a little bit of water to some a lot of water, but all ecosystems are going to contain a certain amount of water because every biotic factor needs water. The layers of gases that surround Earth make up the atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere is mainly nitrogen and oxygen. Earth's atmosphere protects organisms from harmful rays from the sun. Soil covers much of Earth's surface. It is made up of rock, water, air, minerals, and the remains of once living things. Soil provides water and nutrients for plants that grow in it. Bacteria recycle nutrients by breaking down dead organisms. So make sure you have all of your notes filled out and that you've made any corrections that you might need, because you will be able to use them, or you'll be able to reference them when we do our little comprehension check later today. All right? Have a good day, guys.